have your pipes ever frozen where water will not come out? A lot of times this is due to cold weather. We are here in Texas and our houses are not equipped for this cold weather. So what you have to do so your pipes will not freeze is every night before you go to bed, just put it between the warm and the hot and just drip it. This is going to prevent your pipes from freezing overnight, and you'll have water in the morning. Now, you want to make sure that you do both the hot and cold, because if you just do one of the pipes are going to freeze up and you'll have either hot or cold water. So make sure that you are doing both warm and cold. Another thing that I like to do is run my dishwasher in the middle of the night. So before I go to bed, I will set it as a delayed start for 4 to 6 hours, so it's running in the middle of the night. This is something you want to do in your bathrooms, in your shower, especially if your house is facing the north and you're gonna get that north wind coming down, because we are facing the north here. As you can see here, we even have some ice accumulated on that window right there. So if this is north for us, so we always get that north wind. It's super cold, so anything in facing towards the north, make sure that you are dripping your water every night. If you want to know how to fix a stuck toilet handle, click on this video right here, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.